the things that I've implemented is I've moved my computer since the start of the class to in front of a window so that I'm always looking far and near. And I'm trying to do that when I'm reading, looking far and near. And when I'm driving, looking out in the distance and back to the speedometer. I'm trying to pay attention to where my eyes are pointed and not just satisfied with a glazed look. And when I'm reading, I'm trying to use a pointer, and that seems to help a lot.
Good.
Thank you. My color perception is really incredible. I can see the clock across the room at night clearly. I've changed my reading glasses prescription all the way down to plus 0.25. So I've got a little bit more to go, but it's going to take some more perseverance because I'm kind of been there for a while.
Can I ask what was the initial prescription to see what the change has been?
So the initial was plus 1.75. Mm-hmm. It wasn't terribly bad, but it was bad enough to where like I couldn't see the speedometer and the odometer while driving, and now I can. I drive without glasses. I'm reading my iPhone without glasses now. I'm just about a month ago, I finally became aware of central fixation and started using that. I'm reading the marginal references in my Bible now without glasses. I have to have clear light. Otherwise, I have to have really relaxed eyes and blink a lot. My distance vision is incredible. And I think I've gotten it all back. And let's see. Oh, and my food looks great on my plate. 100% clear, but it's a lot better. It always tasted good, but now it's starting to look good again. I think my vision, of course, like I mentioned before, it's improved generally. And I notice I'm trying to take care of my eyes better and my vision, and my habits have improved. I'm trying to look far and close. And I suppose, especially while I'm driving, it's easy just to drive and have a glazed look. You're generally aware of traffic and trees, but I'm trying to focus on things, focus on the car in front, focus on the car beside, focus on the trees and the leaves. And the habits are becoming, I guess things are becoming more habitual. And also when I'm reading, I'm trying to look far and then come back. It's real easy to become engrossed in what you're doing. And then pretty soon your eyes hurt. But I'm trying to integrate more of a change to get some progress. And I noticed I was super excited, and I still am, about the ClearSight method, but I'm backing off talking to people about it because a lot of people just don't care. A few that really care, then I probably talk too much. One thing I've noticed is, so I just started our own plumbing business. And before that, I've been working for the same company 6 years. You go in and you face the same guys, and they're not the same work ethics, and it didn't look like things are going to be improved. And as far as the emotional level, maybe I was kind of getting trapped, but now I've got a fresh outlook in life, and maybe all this is helping to improve my eyes, and I expect it's just gonna continue. I still have a little bit of dryness in the right eye, and it may be, I don't know. I haven't really cried yet since my mother died. She was ill, and we knew she was dying. We knew it was better for her that she go. but I never cried. So I'm still, I think maybe on the emotional level, maybe I need to figure out still how to deal with that so that the right eye will will become more moist like the left eye. Of course, the right eye also has the scar tissue, so I don't know if it's absorbing more moisture. Anyways, life looks better, and maybe I might just share this too. Um, so spiritually, I'm noticing a huge parallel with the vision classes. Like one time I'd been lamenting that I hadn't been able to do sunning for several days, and then the sun came out and I got to do some sunning, and I heard a voice say in my mind or in my consciousness, it's always sunny where I'm at. And of course, for me, it's God, and to be close to Him, it's always sunny. And spiritually speaking, that is and always. I don't have to wait for the physical sun. So those are the things that have been a help to me, and that's how my vision is, in general, is improving naturally, and also my outlook in life. I'm enjoying playing ball with the children, especially my one son who loves to draw. And so he's right here with his drawing, and I have problems getting him to look up. And so when we're playing ball, he loves it, and I love it too. And playing ball with the children, I'm really enjoying depth perception. I didn't know I had a loss of it, but since I appreciate it so much more now, it's wonderful to see things in their place. And I suppose that would work for our vision in life too, to understand that there are things that are close to us and there are things that are far away, and that's life. I'm enjoying, or I should say, it's easier to navigate using my GPS, because before I'd have to put my glasses on so I could read the street names, but now I can read them on the GPS. And like Bilchi mentioned, no more fogged up glasses. That used to be a problem. You get in from outside and you have to wait, or you have to wipe them off. See, I guess that's it. I'm still excited.